So you know what's funny? Number one, welcome back. But you know what's funny? I was just about to make another video doing something cool that I've been wanting to do. And then I realized one of my awesome subscribers and followers on Instagram and YouTube messaged me and they were like, why don't you make a video of you driving the car? And it dawned on me that we've had this car on the channel now since the beginning. That's why I really wanted to start YouTube, because I mean, for the car, I love the car, but I also love being able to be creative and do what I want to do to the car. And I've realized I haven't even shown you a video or anything of actually driving the car, and this has been for about 2 years now. I mean, well, actually, long story short, the registration and all that took a little while to get it titled and on the road, so it's been about a year of actually being able to drive it. But what is going on in these bushes? Well, I'm gonna change that today, and we are gonna actually go on a drive. There's a couple of iffies about driving it right now. So all this beautiful white stuff that you see on the ground, as I was saying, all this beautiful white stuff that you see on the ground has made the plows absolutely destroy the roads. There has so far been two teeth crunching, you know, memory violating potholes that I've hit that have brought back some really bad memories, but we're gonna have to try and avoid those. I was really trying to find a nice, cool spot that we'd be able to get some good sideways action. Either way, you're still gonna see what we have planned, because we have some cool stuff planned. But I now need to get you guys mounted. And also, yes, this car is very, very dirty. This has not seen a wash since I painted it, which was in October, the middle of October at that fact. So I'm gonna give you some real nice cinematic shots right now of what a very untaken care of, unclean car looks like. I'm just kidding, I love this car and I take very good care of it. Here you go, ready? I hope you guys liked the cinematic. Welcome on the first drive. I hope you're able to properly see this. I checked and it looked like you guys had a good view. So we are now gonna do the first startup with you guys actually as passenger in the car. What's better than that? I also did fill up on gas. I wanted to do that so we didn't have any boring problems at a gas station. Now, let's get some fun reactions, shall we? All right, let's see if we can find some fun people out. Side note, while we're doing this, kind of sounds like I'm getting a flat tire in the back, and that would be a real thorn in the side for a first little drive-through over here. A nice point of view drive. I'm gonna see if we can find some fun cars. It's so funny. One thing I've noticed, two things actually, hold on, side notes right now. Number one, I really hope you can properly hear me. I'm gonna find out later on when I go back and check the footage on this if you guys are just listening to drone right now or if you can hear me. But two, owning this car, the amount of people that'll come up next to me and they'll do one of two things. Either one, they'll just stare at me like this until I either go like that and acknowledge them and they're just like waiting for me to roll down the window, or they'll do the most aggressive downshifts and then they'll just try and run it. And meanwhile, this car is NA. A city bike can go faster than this. I'm pretty sure a unicycle could really beat this car in a race right now. There is no power. There is no power whatsoever, but it is still a fun car. And on top of that, it will be eventually a fast car. We're gonna get right on this red light right here. This is probably one of the longest red lights that we can get up to. Ooh, a cop. Please, pull me over. Give me something entertaining right now. Alright, I'm gonna update you on if we get any more entertaining encounters. But until then, we are just stuck at a red light right now. What happened here? I'm gonna bottom out. I see a big accident. Let's take a look. All right, we're gonna find out what happened right now. Because there's a lot of cops on the highway. And a lot of traffic. I smell it. I don't know if you guys can see that smoke that's coming off the car, but I guess they just put it out. Let's see if we can get ourselves a little bit of a better view. Oh, it just smells like burning plastic right now. What do we got here? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm leaving.
There's a huge fire. Look.
Where? Oh my gosh.
Everyone's honking at each other. I'm on the bridge right now. You're gonna probably pass me because I'm here talking to the beautiful people of the internet. Oh, look at all the traffic going that way. All right, I'll see you when you get here, love.
Where am I? To your house?
To the house.
Okay.
All right. All right, love you.
Bye.
Bye. I just thought we had to take a little pit stop and just see what all the traffic was about. That's crazy. But now, onto the crazier stuff. Well, actually, I don't think. We'll see. We'll see if it's crazier than what that little burning fire is down there. There's a guy back there that I'm pretty sure is a security cop. Right over there, if you could see him. And last thing I want, look at him. He's just doing a nice, slow little drive. Last thing I feel like is him coming over here, somehow giving me a ticket or calling and giving me a ticket. So I'm gonna stand out. We're gonna take one little look at the car. Oh, is there a girl in this car? There was, right? Mm-hmm. Here we go. Let's go have some fun. It's a little chilly. It's not cold, right? No, okay. It's a little chilly over here. I hope these interesting little spots. Listen, if anyone ever tells you you can't do, hold on, trying to drive and do the pogo stick thing over here, not such a good idea. All right, so that was doing a little bit of hooning in an NA Supra. This thing is very slow, but it is a lot of fun. It is a lot of fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And by the way, this is my beautiful girlfriend, which you've seen in many other videos. But this is gonna be the first one that's a little bit more, I wanna say vlog oriented, but at the same time of more car oriented. I would like to do vlogs, so tell me if you guys are interested in a day of life of Neptune. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Did you like that?